Welcome to another video from Learning Beyond Limits on the pathway problem. The problem we have today is the Durham Local Transit Supervisor is attempting to determine the number of routes that a bus could take from the bus station to Whitby Mall. Use the diagram below to assist the supervisor in determining the number of routes from the bus station to Whitby Mall if the bus can only travel eastward and northward. So eastward is going this way, northward is going up. So we're traveling from the bus station here to Whitby Mall. If we travel from the bus station, along this way is one possible way. Along this way is one possible way. So we could go one way to that point, one way to that point, one way to that point, and one way that way. We could go one way to that point, going north, and one way above that point, going north as well. Note, if we were traveling from this point to get to this point, that's two. That point we could get to get to that point are two possible ways we could travel. Two ways to get to that point. If we were traveling to get to this point here, it's one way, two possible way, and three ways to get to that point. So there are three ways. If we were traveling to get to this point over here, it's one possible way, two possible way, three possible way, and four ways. By now you see a trend. From here to here, when you add this route with that route, it gives you two possible routes. If you're at this point, when you add these two routes to that route there, it gives you three possible routes. And the same here, that 3 plus that 1 gives you 4. So that means this 4 plus that 1 is going to give you 5. It's the same thing when we get up top here. This one route with that one route gives you 3, and that 3 with that 3 will give you 6. That 6 with the 4 gives you 10, and the 10 with the 5 gives you 15. From that, we can see from this point to this point, there are 15 routes to take. So there are 15 ways to get to the mall from the bus station.